remembered. And then this is about the overall functionality. They think that our chatbot is easy to use and easy to remember, and similar the tutorial process carried out through our chatbot is similar to the tutorial carried out with human tutors. This is the demo of our chatbot. We can say a high grade first, and we say that we want to learn something. We say about the topic, and maybe we want to ask about something. We just ask maybe about like about the description of the drug, and then we ask something again about precaution, about indications, and it will list the indications that of the drug, uh, and etc. This is about the safety for pediatric patient and pregnant women. And then the conclusion in our paper, that is this developed chatbot-based tutorial learning system that achieved pretty good performance for intent classification and entity extraction. And majority of the users think that our tutorial process is similar to the real tutorial process. However, there are still rooms for improvement, including improving the natural language understanding by adding the training data, more training data, and handling intent misclassification between as indication drug and as contraindication drugs, because that through intents usually the tokens is only difference with the word not. So we can maybe use sentiment analysis and classify if it is a positive sentence or negative sentence, or using other methods. This is the references for our paper. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Good morning.
Okay, thank you for the nice presentation. We will begin the question and answering session. So there is one question in the chat box. This is coming from Kyoji Umemura. The question is, what kind of machine learning techniques are you using for each component?
Maybe I can go back. So in the NLU component, we use this RASA framework, and we use this several pipelines. That is, we use the white space tokenizer. That is, we tokenize the words based on the white spaces between each word. And actually, we also remove like symbols and other things that is quite not needed. And then we use the lexical syntactic featurizer, since we think that sometimes people mention the name of the drug using the first letter is capitalized. So it would help us.
Excuse me. My question is about the more lower level of your technique. I mean, for example, are you using the BART or some other things, or just using a rule-based?
So we use this for the featurization. We use this one-hot encoding, and we use this pre-trained word embeddings from BERT. And for the classification, we use this diet classifier that is from RASA, that uses transformers and some of the feed-forward neural networks, and we use this CRF for the entity extraction.
Okay, thank you very much. That's exactly what I'm willing to ask.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you for the question and also the answer. So one more question. Is there one more question? Okay, since the time is also up, so we will move to the next paper. Thank you for Rizki
Desi,
Fonna.
there is one question in the chat from
Okay.
Uchiyama Sensei.
Oh, okay. Sorry. So from Sintaro Uchiyama Sensei, what do you suppose students use this system in what kind of situation?
This chatbot is intended to be used by students that learns about pharmacology, like in the medical student or a pharmacy student, that it can provide them with the learning materials that they needed.